Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to another Creative Corner episode. Today we are going to be working on a splatter leaf painting. Before we get started with today's workshop, as usual, let's go over some of the materials you need. Before we dive into our supplies, I would like to let you know that I do have some supply kits available. So you will receive one of these 8x10 canvas panels, as well as a little instruction handout, and also this bag that has one palm leaf and some oak leaves as well. So if you are interested, just go ahead and give us a call or fill out the supply kit online available through our website. I have a blank 8x10 canvas panel, some oak leaves, a palm leaf, some tape, of course our paint brushes. I have 2 cups of water, one for cleaning and one for the actual workshop, which we'll dive into a little later. Wax paper to cover my surface and protect the table from getting dirty. And I, of course, have acrylic paints, which we'll be using. You can also substitute it and use oil or watercolor if you want. My preference is acrylic. Alright everyone, I went ahead and put some wax paper down on my surface, like I mentioned, just to protect my table overall. I also went ahead and put some painter's tape on this palm leaf that we'll be using on the backhand side. And what you're going to do is go ahead and place your leaf anywhere you would like on your canvas and push down on the tape itself. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some additional tape, roll it up, and just place it on these oak leaves. And place the oak leaves anywhere on the canvas. You're more than welcome to use any different type of leaf. I bought these from Amazon, and my preference would be to use fake leaves, just so that way if you would like to reuse them, you're more than welcome to reuse them. And once you have your leaves on your canvas, go ahead and put these rest of the leaves aside. But once you have all your leaves situated, you're going to go ahead and grab one of your paint brushes. And I'm going to go ahead and start with a darker color and work my way up to a lighter color. But you're going to get some of your paints. In this case, like I mentioned, I am using acrylic. And we're going to start with mauve pale. Get some water, and you're just going to add it to the paint to thin it out. Kind of want it nice and watery. There are different ways you could do this. One is that you can get something flat and hard, like an old card, ID. You can also use your finger. You use an additional paintbrush. But with your finger, you're just going to run your finger across the bristles. And the more paint you have on your brush, the more paint will get onto the canvas itself. And you're going to go ahead and repeat this process with every single color that you're going to use. As I mentioned, we're just going to go ahead and repeat this process until you're satisfied with the amount of paint that's on your canvas. Okay, everyone. Once you're happy with uh, putting your paint onto your canvas, now comes the fun part of removing the leaves. So we're going to go ahead and very carefully grab them and just lift them off the canvas panel. Or you could just fling it off the canvas itself. And you want to do this when the paint is dry. So if you're working with oil paint, Oil paint is going to take the longest to dry unless you use an additive. I believe linseed oil helps it dry faster. But don't take me up on that because I haven't worked with oil in a long time. But you're just going to go ahead and very carefully remove all of your leaves off the canvas itself. And I don't know if you can tell, but on the canvas itself, I do have some very rough outlines of my leaves. And you're more than welcome to experiment with, like mentioned, with different types of leaves, different shapes. You could also not use leaves and use other items as well. But when you are doing this, I do recommend that you put something down, some plastic, some wax paper, because then the paint will get all over. And I was very careful, but you might not be so lucky as me. Wear some clothes that you don't care about, or an apron that you don't mind ruining. Not ruining, but adding paint to it, because this paint will get everywhere. But yeah, once you've mastered that, you're more than welcome to, like I said, just change out whatever shape you want, tape it down, and then just add your paint. Thank you for joining me today on our Creative Corner session. Today we worked on splatter leaf painting. If you are interested, I do have a limited number of these supply kits ready for you to take home. You get one 8.5 by 10 canvas panel, one palm leaf, and 4 oak leaves. And today this is our final product. So you can see the leaf outlines. And again, thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to all of our social media platforms. We have everything from Facebook to Instagram, including YouTube. If you're interested in the supply kits, give us a call or go to our website and fill out the online request form, and we'll go ahead and give you a call when it's ready. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.